Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and today we got an action-packed video full of great information when it comes to XRP. If you do like the videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you all so much. Now, we hear all the time, as XRP holders, of people saying, hey, it's this coin and that coin, and why would I ever get that? Well, when you have someone like the Nasdaq write about you, you might want to research about what XRP truly is. So this article that we're starting off today's video with, this is, once again, the partnerships, the credibility, how Ripple is working with banks and companies all over the world. It just solidifies where they're at the moment and how much big, large organizations believe in this particular project. So in this article, which I will link to you, it says, that XRP is on the right trajectory, what they're building, that it's built for businesses, that RippleNet is a big deal, in regards to the existing global payment platform, the decentralization, taking over SWIFT. So we're talking about Nasdaq here. We're not talking about Crypto Serpent or some guy on TikTok or YouTube. We're talking about Nasdaq here, talking about all the facts, why it's a great idea in 2021 to be involved with Ripple and to learn more about Ripple. So fantastic news. Around the world, Biden's team is preparing for a new $3 trillion package to boost the economy. And there is a whole bunch of things going on here, but every time a government spends such a large sum of money to stimulate the economy, it's only positive news. Now we know that the investment world is around news. So when there's good news and things, infrastructure and things are happening, everyone feels confident. And then when there's bad news, the markets go down. And so $3 trillion by Biden's team being spent on building up the economy is a great thing. And so we'll keep an eye on that in the future. There's been quite a lot of movement today. That's why I wanted to bring this to you in regards to what it looks like, what's happening. And I think that this chart really sums it up here. We're really going to be retesting this particular line. And so we did test it and we broke back above it. So I think it's only positive. I know that in the market, there's always concerns about what's happening and why has it been a drop? Oh my God, it's been a drop of 12%. Relax. Look at this. Look at the charts. When in doubt, look at the numbers, look at the charts. Do not worry about what people are saying. Always look at the numbers. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but look at the numbers. Numbers don't lie. People lie, and numbers do not lie. So the future looks bright. If we look at this chart, the top of this particular pattern is about an XRP of $136. So where we're at today and what's happening, guys, it really, relax. Don't worry about 12-30% of what's going on today. Look at the long term, the log picture, where we're heading, all the relationships, the instant liquidity, the problems that this particular cryptocurrency resolves. And if you've never stumbled upon XRP until today, welcome. My channel is all about giving you information to empower you to go do your own research. And I highly encourage you to research XRP if this is the first time you've heard of it or you're just now starting to do your research on it. So I believe with this particular formation that is building, we are setting ourselves up for a huge run, and seeing a $30 XRP accelerate, towards the end of this year, moving into next year to a $150, $300 XRP is absolutely, without a shadow of a doubt, not out of the question. And it's crazy, when you think about 47 cents or 50 cents, and some guys here telling us that $75, $300 is possible. It really truly is with the problems that Ripple and XRP solve. So moving forward, again, looking at the charts, this particular sin wave, which was on the earlier chart that I showed you, like I said, we touched it, we went below it, and then we've come back above it. So as long as we're above this line, we're doing great. We wanted to re-edify that for you because it's really important, especially if you're new and you've just invested into XRP yesterday and you're like, what is going on here? Why am I down 15%? Relax. I got you. As long as we hold this, when we're going, no problem. Now, PAC Global now running its own XRP node validator. So again, massive news. So the North American Bitcoin conference is returning, and there's going to be all these sort of things happening. But the big news is that this PAC Global now running its own XRP node validator is a really big deal. So we saw also major, 860 million XRP, along with major XRP delisters, like a lot of transactions are happening at the moment, every single minute, and there's a lot of money being shifted around at the moment. Some people are getting out of XRP and going into Bitcoin, but there's been an incredible sum of money of Bitcoin being transferred in the last 24 hours, and so huge movements are happening. And so that is for a bull run, what is happening right now is completely normal. So in this particular world, we're either in a bull run or we're, like in the red and about to crash and burn. So it's really interesting, like we're on the rise, everything is well, the charts are trending well, you have nothing to worry about. So what can we see short term? I believe that in around April is going to be a massive month for the crypto market, like absolutely huge. But I believe at $1, $1.20 XRP is where we're heading to next. Now, this could either happen in April, could happen a little bit earlier, or at the latest by May. So very exciting to see this happen. And of course, we've all been, we've been waiting for this. So how that looks is, at the moment, like I mentioned, as long as we stay around, 47, 48 cents, we're fine. And then we're going to have that big push to 75. And then we know that 75 cents is a huge resistance. Then from that, once we break past that, we're in new territory, and that's where we're going to go $1.20. So as always, very exciting, very fascinating what is happening in the XRP community and XRP world. If you liked today's video, hit the like and subscribe button. Really appreciate every single one of you. And for those of you that are new, we make these videos around 5 to 7 minutes, so just to give you just enough time to understand what is going on today, to give you all the right information. So thank you. Can't wait to see you on the next one.